Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel OASIS. Today I am going to show how to download and install Java JDK. So first we have to check there is Java JDK in our system or not. Just type here command type Java. So it's showing Java is not recognized as an internal external command. Let's go to the comma, type here Java JDK 16 download. Choose the Java SC, Java JDK 16. Click on here, go to down, use the Windows 64 installer. Click on here, click on download and save it. Here is the downloaded file. Double click on it. Next. And we have to set the system environment. So type here system environment. So click in here, click on environment variables, select the path, click on edit. Before that we have to find out who is our Java JDK. It is already inside the program files. Here's Java JDK and we copy this path, go to system variable, click on new, paste here, click on OK. We have to set the Java home, so click on new, type it capital letters Java underscore home. Go again here, go back, select this path, copy, go to system variable, paste here, paste. OK. Once again we have to check it, go to the command prompt, type the Java was just saying Java JDK is installed. We have to check Java C. Yes. So in your system Java JDK is installed. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and share and subscribe also my channel. Once again thanks for watching my YouTube channel OASIS guys.